point na hindi umuwi. Diba? This all plays a role pagdating sa clogging. And then, nangyayari po yan, hindi lang overnight. And then, but, pagdating mo na ng kurenta yan, the plug can break, and then, in a matter of seconds, you can have a heart attack. So, kaya yung gamutan yan, hindi mo yan makukuha rin ng a matter of months. Diba? The clog has been there for about more than 20 years. So you expect to have to relieve you of chest pain in a matter of months. Hindi po yan mangyayari. So we'll now go to the main topic, preventing heart attack with vitamin C. Sino naniniwala na vitamin C can prevent heart attack? Uy, dito lang oh. Dami pang nakanganga eh. Ha? Pwede ba yan? Kaya nga sabi namin sa inyo, open your mind. We will give you all the information. Pag dalabas nyo rito, sasabihin nyo, salamat sa LBB. Kanina, we mentioned about the anatomy. Now, we'll discuss a little bit of cellular component. No? Alam natin na ang puso is nothing but a big chunk of a muscle. Muscle lang po ang puso natin. No? It's an organ. An organ is made of tissues. Diba? Tissues put together becomes an organ. And tissues is made of cells. So, a cells, millions and trillion cells put together, it becomes a tissue, tissues become an organ. So, ang puso natin, these are all the heart component. No? So, it's made of different cells. As you can see, there's a heart muscle cells. Ang function lang niya is to maintain blood circulation. You have another type of heart muscle cell. Ang function niya is to electrify para sa heart conduction. That's a different kind. And then you have a smooth muscle cells. No? Ang trabaho naman to para to reinforce the vascular wall. And then you have your endothelium. The endothelium separates the inner lining of your blood vessels dun sa blood component. No? These are the blood component ng puso natin. Alam natin niya, RBC, hemoglobin, you have your white blood cells, you have your platelets. No? So basically this is a heart. No? But titignan niyo siya puro sa cells. Sabi nga, we are made of nothing but cells. No? There's about 60 trillion cells in the body. And that cell separates cellular medicine from conventional medicine. When we talk of cellular medicine, we go to kung sa core ng problema. With conventional, alam nyo naman, no? Pag nagpunta ka, sakit ka sa puso, you go to a cardiologist. Pag meron kang problema with your sa pag-ihi, you go to a urologist. Pag sa utak, you go to a neurologist. Diba? So, iba-iba. But when you do cellular medicine, practically you address everything. Papakita namin sa inyo. Health and disease in our bodies are determined not at the level of organs, but in millions of cells. This is a blood vessel. No? It's made of cells. Tingnan nyo. Puro cells lang po yan. This is a single cell. No? That's the heart. That's the core of your cells. If you go back to your basic science, alam natin yung nucleus, di ba? Sa nucleus, it's there you can find your DNA and RNA. Di ba? Sabi nga, there are no two persons alike kasi nga, ang RNA mo, our DNA, are signature yan. No? Kaya they used to identify na to, di ba? Sa mga criminals kasi nga, if you leave yung buhok lang, if you watch CSI, di ba? Kukuha lang ka lang ng gum swab. Pwede na lang matrace ang iyong DNA. Kaya ko nilagay ito yung slide nito because of this. Inside the cell, para yung software program. It's like the CPU of the computer. No? And para for this CPU or this program to work properly, you have to have biocatalysts and other nutrients. And what are your biocatalysts and nutrients? These are your biocatalysts. When you say biocatalyst, siguro naman, di ba? Bio means life. Catalyst means to initiate, di ba? Para siyang enzyme. Hasten, ika nga. So you need vitamin C, you need your B complex, you need there's your CoQ10, your minerals and trace elements. So you have to take all of this para for each cells to function optimally. Di ba? Tingnan natin. These are the essentials of life. You need oxygen, water, you need the food, sugar, fat, protein, and also you need your vitamins, amino acid. Tingnan natin. Pag wala kang oxygen, early signs mo, hirap ka huminga, suffocation. And then, in a matter of minutes, you can die. For food, that's about 60 days. 60 days, that's about 8 weeks. No? Kaya yung mga nagpa-fasting na umiinom ng tubig, hindi yan mamamatay. But with vitamins, even if you do not take your vitamins, wala yung early signs. No? But if you're familiar with scurvy, scurvy is a deficiency of vitamin C. No? You can die of bleeding. No? That's scurvy. Mamaya, we'll discuss a little bit about scurvy. And then, if you have deficiency, that's different from zero. Di ba? Deficiency means you're taking something in. No? Konti nga lang. So, for many years, again, there's your heart attack. Mapunta na po tayo doon. Familiar kayo dito? Why animals don't get heart attacks but people do? Alam nyo ba yan? Na yung mga hayop, hindi yan inaatake sa puso. Wala silang sakit sa puso. Bakit? Ano kinalaman nung atake ng puso ng hayop sa atake ng tao? The fact remains, however, that none in the domestic species, referring to your animals, with the rarest exception, of course, do animals develop atherosclerotic disease of clinical significance. It appears that most of the pertinent pathological mechanisms operate in animals, and that atherosclerosis disease is not impossible. It just does not occur. This was from the book of Veterinary Pathology in 1958. Alam na nila yan, no? Kaya lang, hindi nila alam what's the mechanism behind. Bakit hindi inaatake? Sabi pa nila mga doctor dito, if the reason for this could be found, it might cast some very useful light on human disease. Diba? So alam nila na hindi inaatake, sabi nila, kung makikita yung dahilan, pwedeng tulungan tayo. Tingnan natin. There's your chimpanzee. Sabi nga, rarest exception. Last time I did the lecture, ang nasabi ko, there's about 4 species, di ba? Hindi lang pala 4. Yung bago kong nakita ngayon, there's about 6 kinds of animal species na inaatake rin po sa puso. And one of them, of the primates, your chimpanzee, your gorilla, your mga unggoy. And then, another one are your guinea pig. Inaatake po yan sa puso. Another one is your fruit bat. No? Yung fruit bat, this was found in India. Kaya nga siguro siya naging fruit bat. Kasi if it doesn't eat fruits, di ba, chances are it's going to die of a heart attack. And then, this is a fish. A freshwater species of a salmon, na-atake rin pala ang isda sa puso, no? And then a bird, no? Alam ko anong ibon yan, basta it's a bulbul, sabi nila. Kulang ng isa. Di ba? Sino nakakalam? Tao. Beautiful. Di ba? Hindi ba naman atake sa puso yung mga yan? Di ba? Ang sexy. Di ba? Tayo ngayon, pag nag-summer, pag naligo kayo, di ba? Nakamaong. Di ba? Naka-duster. Tignan nyo sila. Di sila nahihiya. Ito isa nga, walang underwear yan. Di ba? Hindi na kailangan eh. Oh. Di ba? Ganyan sila ka-daring. Tayo, sa atin, walang pumunta sa beach eh, no? Dahil naka-duster, naka-long sleeve. Diba? Yung matatanda, may payong pa yan eh. Yeah? And what's the common denominator among these species? It's vitamin C. No? Lahat yan inaatake sa puso because of vitamin C. So, ano relationship ng vitamin C with us? Tingnan natin. Animals don't get heart attacks because they produce large amount of vitamin C. That's about 1,000 to 20,000 milligrams in their bodies. It's enough to optimize the stability of the vascular walls. Tayong tao, humans, cannot manufacture a single molecule of vitamin C in our body. Not a single molecule. Di ba? Again, balikan natin ang ating mahusay na doktor. Let's go back using our common sense. Pag pumunta kayo sa clinic, di ba, nagpa-test kayo, usually a doctor do a blood count, di ba, CBC. Anong gagawin sa CBC? They check on your hemoglobin, they check on your ABC, you check on your WC para makita kung ano. And then, pag nakita ng doktor mo, yung hemoglobin mo, medyo mababa, ang normal normal is about 12.